I want to take a picture over here of the cows too. Tommy, you could tell me you're recording first. Later. Okay, watch him open the door. Lily, hi. Hello. Hi.
Hello?
Are you left in the car?
Hey, yeah.
Hi.
Hey, yeah.
Did you have a good sleep?
Is her christening going? Wow, look at that. You see like one boat away off right there.
Oh, he's crying. Hey, complainer. Hey, complainer.
Hey, hey, Lynn.
You want to come out, don't you?
Will we move
Not
on?
yet.
Yeah, we'll drive on.